Okay, so this is a tour of GB Camper conversions in Tamworth. This is a conversion done on a Citroen Berlingo Multispace. This is the Desire edition. So you get a few extra features inside, which we'll come to shortly. Okay, so this is the side, one of the side entrances on the Berlingo. You get two side opening doors. This is the passenger side loading door. And then we've got the rear access of the Citroen Berlingo. And with this being the Multispace, the Desire edition of the Berlingo, it comes with extra storage above, so we didn't need to put any more in. So up here, we've got a large storage compartment. And then as you come round to the side, just above, you've got two little compartments there, handy little storage compartments. So again, we didn't think there was any need to put overhead storage. Obviously, if it weren't the Desire model, we could add additional storage up above, a couple of little lockers, a couple of little shelves. Okay, so we've decided to try and get as much as we can in. Although being a small van, there's limited stuff to what you can get in one of these vans, but we've gone for an L-shaped seating area, which we can turn into the bed, which we'll come to later. We've chosen some automotive fabric for the seating because it's hard wearing, easy to clean. Down the one side there, we've got our storage unit. Okay, so in the storage unit, we've got two nice size cupboards with a shelf. Nice big storage compartment. And then below that, we've got another large storage compartment. Get plenty of stuff in there. And then also for storage on this unit, we have a lift up hatch. So you can see in there it's quite deep. Ideally we were looking at storage for possibly a cool box, that kind of thing, because it's very large. And then again, just on the side wall there, you've got a magazine rack for your books. Bit of nighttime reading. So we've installed this neat pop-up tower for your power, which only runs off the 240. You've got your three 240 volt sockets, two USB ports. Again, if you want to just pop your laptop on there or your tablet, sit, watch a movie at night, do a bit of browsing. That's a nice, neat little bit of equipment, and it's out of the way, so you can still use your worktop. And then there's no harm in catching any of the cables, because as it goes down, inside the cupboard, we've blocked it off. Right from the side loading passenger side then, we've got another storage compartment, and located in there, what we've done, we've made the area large enough for a leisure battery. So this particular one, we didn't put 12 volt in there, we've just gone for the 240, and it's got your RCD, mains protected consumer unit there. And you've got your electrical inlet just coming back. Again, with the door open, we've made it so that you can get access to that without breaking your plug. So that's where your mains goes in. But again, just coming back to this nice bit of storage again, you've got your shelf underneath, which is where your hatch for your kitchen unit comes in. So you can either use it for storage, or you can have a 12 volt leisure battery in there. It can be secured down. We put a bank of fuses in, and you can have some 12 volt accessories like USB points, the cigarette lighter charging points. And then just neatly stowed away on the back, we've got the dining table. It's got a telescopic pivoting leg, and that can be mounted inside, or we've put a rail on the back of this unit so it can be used outside, and we'll come to that. What we've also done on this one, this first seat we've made removable. So we just drop the cushion down, lift it up and away, and it's ever so light. And that can be stowed out the way. I mean, if you didn't want to take it with you on a trip, so you know, just for a picnic, say for instance, you can just have that one seat there. It gives you a bit more floor space. Again, with the Desire being the way that it is with this storage compartment here, again, this is why we've put this bench seat towards the back of the two travelling seats, just because the headroom's quite a lot bigger, so you can sit up comfortably without bashing your head off there. And the table, you just extend the leg out, try not to break any furniture. That just clips on to there. So you can adjust the height of the leg as well, so it's just a case of, you know, if you want it up and down or whatever, just get it quite flat, spin the wheel, and then you can lock it on as well. If you want to pull it towards you or take it back. And that's your dining table. Yeah, and if it's a nice sunny day, we put the rail on the back of this unit as well, so you can dine outside if you want to. Again, the use of having the removable seat, you can sit outside, relax, put a bit of lunch on the table. So we opted not to put a hob and sink permanently built into here. One, because we couldn't get enough room for a hatch, which we thought having storage was sort of more important. So we went for a portable stove, which can be used outside, or we can use it inside. Yeah, so we can use it inside as well, which is nice and handy. What also we've opted for was, again, not having the hob and sink permanently fixed. We've gone for the portable bowl, which again can be used inside the van or outside the van. Yeah, so the idea behind it was, obviously, when you're fitting the permanent hob and sink, you've got to take into account the depth of the sink itself, which is going to start encroaching onto your storage. Then we've got to obviously fit a gas bottle, which again is going to go into your storage. Then you've got your fresh and your waste bottles. All of a sudden, all this storage becomes used up with those items. So go portable. Storage is important when you're going away, even if it's just for a day trip. If you want to pop the kettle on, kettle's going to live in here. Cups, plates, dishes, you got your pots, your pans. I mean, storage above, if you want to stay overnight, you've got clothes, duvet. You'll get a duvet up there because we've already tried it, that's fine. And then again, you know, you got, I don't know, if you want to put your socks and pants up there, or a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, you got one each. It just becomes easier to use, and you've still got the luxury of having a cooking facility and a washing facility. And you get all the storage as well. And while you're in the van, you've still got access to all the opening windows, which on this particular model, again, it's got 4 opening windows. Bit of ventilation while you're cooking. Nice warm day. Okay, so regarding the bed, there's a couple of actions that we need to do to get the bed down. Both seats have got to come fully forwards. As far as they'll come, and then just wind them both a couple of turns. until they stop. And then the next action, if you come in here and pull that away, it's on runners, as far as it'll extend. Then you drop your back cushion into there. Then again, it's simple as just drop the cushion down. Same process inside, pull out till it won't go no further, and just drop your cushion, squeeze it in, and there we have. That's 1700 long by 800 wide, so for a single person you got a nice sized single bed. I mean, yeah, you could possibly get 2 people in there. It'd be a little bit tight, but it depends how comfortable you are with sleeping. I mean, I'm 6'1", so I'm 6'1", and without trying to get anything too dirty, I mean, it's nice for one person to be in here. You get plenty of room. You still get to your storage up above your hatch, and then it's just the reverse for putting it all away. Pop the cushion out, slide that back in, again lift the back off, slide it back in. See, if you're worried about your weight being on there, you are only putting your head on there anyway, but we've made it so that it rests on the centre console, so it won't go down far. It's got 4 heavy duty runners on, and the same on the other bench. 4 heavy duty runners, so putting your weight on there is not an issue. Slide it back in, come back round, seats back, just wind them back a little bit. I mean, and adjust it for your driving position anyway, you can do it. Pop your rest back up. So just finishing now then on the unit that we've made. This is laminate on marine lightweight ply, poplar ply, 15mm, scratch and dent resistant. So it's high quality board that we've used. The same as the worktop. That's a black sparkle effect. Again, it's used laminate on lightweight poplar ply. Doors, same, but we've gone for the aluminium finish with the aluminium edging. Aluminium handles, 90-degree spring-loaded hinges, so they pull the door in. There's no rattling when you're driving at all. And then, like I mentioned earlier, we've gone for automotive material. We've had somebody do the covers for us, and we've just fitted it ourselves. It's hard wearing, easy to clean, and we've just used carpeted boards for the bed frame boxes. And on the floor, we've gone for easy wipe vinyl flooring, so very easy to clean. Any spills you get on there, you can mop them up straight away. So if you're looking for any more information on a conversion like this, if you've got your own van, if you've got a Berlingo, this will go in pretty much any small sized van, Berlingo, Combo, Caddy, Connect, anything like that. Contact us, gbcamperconversions.com. We're in Tamworth, Staffordshire. There's a link on the page to contact us. We'll answer any questions. Thank you.